Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this amazing chicken Manchurian. So first things up, I'm cutting about 500 grams of boneless chicken into small pieces. You can use fish or beef if you like. Next I'm going to prep the vegetables. Here I've got one red onion that I'm slicing and scaling into pieces. You can use pretty much any vegetables you like that you can stir fry. Next I've got 2 bell peppers, one red and one green, that I'm just cutting into cubes. I've grabbed 3 button mushrooms that I'm going to slice roughly into pieces. I've also got about a handful of cabbage that I'm roughly chopping up. Here I've got 1 carrot that I'm going to peel and then slice at an angle. When making chicken Manchurian, it is really important to have the vegetables ready beforehand because this has to cook really fast at a high heat. So to a wok kind of a pan, I'm going to turn the heat on high and add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add in the chicken and let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the chicken is looking whitish in color, I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. You can add freshly ground if you like, this is what I had available. When the chicken starts to look brown on the edges, I'm going to remove this off the heat. To the same pan, I've added in all the vegetables and fried them for no longer than 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to add in the chicken and give everything a really good mix. So for the spices, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, about 2 teaspoons of soya sauce and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm going to give everything a good mix and add enough water for the amount of gravy that I like. You can omit this part and keep it dry if you like. To thicken the sauce, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour to water and mixing it into the pan. And finally, I'm going to let everything simmer together until the sauce starts to bubble. Sprinkle a dash of paprika over steamed rice to give it a little bit of a kick, and a pinch of black roasted sesame seeds. And here you have your chicken Manchurian ready in no time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Till the next time, see you later.